Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazingly great. So this was a highly requested video by a lot of you asking me how I spend my day in quarantine. So I will take you through around my house and I'll show you what all I do. So first of all, I will have a cup of green tea and then I'm gonna make my bed and then I'm gonna move ahead and go and make my breakfast. Since I live here alone and I do not have anybody helping me with the household stuff much, I wake up and this is what I follow. I have a glass of green tea every day after I wake up, and I just sit here for some time and I just stare out of my window and just just see the beautiful view from my window, which I'll show you in some time. And then I just go ahead and do my bed. I just make my bed and then I go and have breakfast. I have not made my house into a very beautiful, like done a lot of decor. This is all that you've seen here in most of my videos, and a little bit space is also empty there, so that's what I'm trying to fill up. But rest of the house is not so attractive, you guys, because I live the proper spinster workaholic woman life, and my house is a mess, and I am not afraid of showing you that. But I will show you a little bit of trash here and there, but that's how I live, guys. I hate going for morning flights, and getting up in the morning is a task for me, and I love spending time mostly in the evenings, so I'm all energized in the evening, and in the night I feel like I can dance around the entire house and do the entire household work at the night. But I have to do the cooking and stuff, so mostly my day pattern is like getting up, having green tea, getting my bed done, having breakfast, and then just doing with settling the house a little bit, going and making lunch because I have no help, and it's been like this for almost a year now, so I have to make the lunch. So during work days I do not spend most of the time at home, but during quarantine I have to definitely go and make the lunch because I do not have anybody with me. I'm going to prepare my breakfast now, and I have just decided to make a Maggie because, as I said, I'm not a morning person and I hate spending time in the kitchen, which unfortunately I am having to do a lot these days. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a Maggie for myself, and then I will go and sit down and write what all I am going to do today. So guys, this vase that you saw while I was having my breakfast is completely made by me. This white lilies I made for Easter with white and colored paper. And this bottle that you see is actually an old whiskey bottle. I used yellow dal, which is the masoor dal, to just beat it up. And these sticks that you see inside is from the curry leaves branches. I got this and I stuck it all up and painted it, and I've kept it here on my dining table as a showpiece. Once I'm done with breakfast, I go and sit in my living room on my sofa, and I just note down all the things in my planner, what I'm supposed to do for the entire day. So I'm going to prepare lunch for myself, and the menu today is very simple. because I do not want to make anything very lavish or very elaborate. So I'm just going with bhindi ki sabzi and dal and roti, and that's it, because I do not want to go for anything non-vegetarian or something that is very you know, like too heavy. Because yeah, let's go start making the lunch now. So my lunch is in process now, and what I do in most of the days is I put my food on the gas, and while that is going on, I go quickly and I finish off all the rest of the work, all the household that is left. Like, you know, I have utensils to wash, a few clothes, and sweeping and swabbing, and I quickly finish that off, and then I'll go and take a shower, and I'll go and have lunch, and then after that I'll take you around my house a little to show you how I have settled things in my house. Not going to be the prettiest, but I'll just show you how my house looks like. I'm done with having lunch, and now I'm going to read a book which I got from my mom. She gifted this book to me when she came here to Kochi to stay at my place, and she knows I like reading murder mystery books, so she got me this, and I'll just spend some time reading, and then after that at 5 p.m. I'm gonna sit at my designated spot and drink tea. And then after that, most probably I would be getting back to studies. For doing all this, I'll show you a little bit of my house, so come, let's go see. So that's the entry to my bedroom, and this is my bed here. The wall that you see in my videos is this section, and I'll show you what the view outside my room looks like. So that is the area outside my house. So last year there was floods, and then this accumulated here, so people come here and, you know, they just do a little bit of fishing, and then you see some cattle there. There's buffaloes and cows, and that's it. This far you can see only this. So it is a really pretty view from my room, and the same is from my balcony as well. Show you how my dining room looks like. So that's my dining hall. I have my meals here, and I've kept all the stuff that I got from outside. And that's a small little basin right there. It's my tripod stand. I don't know why this mirror is there. It's something got to do with some shastra. That's my office bag. That's my sofa. Just my sofa set there. And that's the balcony, you guys. I've kept some boxes there because I didn't want that, so that's unwanted. I just kept it over there. And this section is the TV and everything that, you know, papers with regards to the machine and everything that I have here, because it's a full furnished flat. That's my balcony over there. I don't open this because there is my friend right there, my pet, and I'm very scared, so I do not open this section here. That's my altar, and I just left this back here because it's so much of positivity right here. Smile all day. And I'll show you my kitchen. That's my kitchen, not a very pretty one. My lunch that I prepared. I have some utensils to wash more, and that is my kitchen. So all those if you've not seen, that's my dad, my mom. This is a picture from my 21st birthday, and this is a very pretty picture that I had, so I put it here right at the middle. That is my brother. That is like, I think a year back. It's my 22nd birthday, and here if I come you, that's my boyfriend, guys. I miss him so much. This is my 23rd birthday, so I've kept a little bit of stuff here just for decor. So it's 5 PM guys, and this is my altar. Every day at 5 PM I come here and I have to light the candle. I hope you like this altar, guys. My house is mostly blue and white, so I got my altar stuff also in blues and whites. So I have white candles, and I have got this flower vase here, small one, which is again blue and white flowers, and I got blue and white matching. And only the flowers I couldn't get blue and white, but I wanted something colorful, so I went and put that. So most of my time from 4 onwards after I have lunch is mostly spent on either reading something, or maybe if I'm shooting a vlog, so I shoot a vlog, or I have to do editing or click pictures, because I have the daylight, just natural light coming from here at this point in time. And the sun sets at around 6:15 in the evening, so that's the light that I have at this point in time. So I have to shoot everything right now, and then I pack up, and then I start editing my vlogs, or I just chat with you guys, or I just talk to my family, or play games with my boyfriend online or else this is like, you know, some of the stuff that I do. But today I have to get back to studies because I have to get like, you know, a little bit brushing up on my SEP and my safety knowledge, and because we know operations are going to start soon, so that's what we'll do today. So guys, it's 5:30 PM and it's my chai time, so let's go make some tea. My chai and my snacks are ready, and I have chai every day here at this time. 7 PM and I'm going to have to study for a little bit now, and then I'll have dinner. I'll study for like maybe 2 hours. Done with studies, and this is the time when I put on some music and I dance it out. And every day I do not necessarily do exercise or something like that, but I have to dance every single day. That's a part of my, you know, everyday exercise routine. Danced enough and I'm all tired. I'm gonna have my dinner and I'll call it a day. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and thank you so much for giving me the suggestion to make this video. It was absolutely fun, and I'm sure you got a sneak peek into what I do every day in quarantine at home. So I hope you are having even more fun at home if you're with your family and, you know, playing games and stuff. But if you like this video and if you liked what I do the entire day, or, you know, if this video brought a smile to your face, don't forget to give a thumbs up, press the subscribe button down, and don't forget to press the bell icon, and also share your comments on how you spend your quarantine days at home in the comment section below. Take care all of you guys. Bye bye and good night.